friends! Today we are working in sand quarry, and to accomplish all the tasks we need a mining dump truck. Let's assemble a dump truck and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the base of mining dump truck. We'll fix the wheels to it. Front wheels, and double rear wheels. Now we need to install the seat and the dashboard for a dump truck driver. All of this we put in the driver's cab. The peculiarity of the dump truck is its body, which topples during unloading. So now, let's set the cylinders and pistons for raising such a body. And now the lights, front and rear ones. To make the driver be able to get inside the cabin, we have to install the ladder. And then, we make the fencing for the workers' safety. Also, for the maximum safety of the dump truck drivers, we set the rear view mirrors. Finally, and most importantly, the body of the dump truck. Ready! Mining dump truck is a very big machine. Just look at the size difference of the mining dump truck and the construction dump truck. A simple dump truck is 3 times smaller than the mining dump truck. And how small does a car look compared to the mining truck? Unbelievable! Just imagine, the size of the mining dump truck is similar to a 3-story house. The mining dump truck is considered the largest machine in the world. It isn't a joke. The length of the world's largest mining dump truck is 51.5 feet, width almost 29.5 feet, and height about 26.2 feet. And this monster weighs 237 tons. These machines usually work in tandem with powerful excavators and loaders, and are used for transporting ore, coal, and other bulk materials from quarries on specially paved roads. Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble the mining dump truck. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.